fill out the eBIR forms 1701 version 2018 and 2551Q version 2018. So let's begin with part 1, your background information. So here, as you can see, there is a TIN number or taxpayer identification number that you're going to fill in, RDO code, line of business, registered name, registered address, zip code, email ad, and telephone number. As for this tutorial, we're going to use my TIN number. So in my case, as you can see, the background information was entered automatically because in our class we used it to practice filing eBIR forms, and this gave us a good foundation and a clear understanding of how to properly file our own forms in the future. So next, after you fill in your information, you're going to select your form that you're going to use. So in this tutorial, we're going to use 1701Q version 1701 version 2018. After you selected, fill up. After that, you are directly at the first page of your form. Then as you can see here, is your background information. All you need to do is to select this blank choose. First is this taxpayer type. We're going to assume a single proprietor. Then for the alphanumeric tax code, the business income graduated IT rates, and then for your date, birth, so forth. And civil status, syempre single, and then no. Then in number 21, your tax rate is JIT, and then your method of deduction will choose itemized deduction. So we're going to proceed to the next page. So here is your computation of tax. Let's assume you have a sales revenue amounting to 2,605,000 pesos, and with a less cost of sales amounting to 1,953,272 pesos, and then that gives you the gross profit amounting to 651,728, and then proceed to the next page, which is the ordinary allowable itemized deduction, if any lang, if necessary, if you have. So assuming you have a depreciation amounting to 31,365 pesos, and a salaries and wages amounting to 192,000, and SSS, GSIS, PhilHealth, HDMF, and other contributions amounting to 20,800, and your taxes and licenses 26,579, and your transportation with 29,305. Then that's give you your total ordinary allowable itemized deduction to amounting to 300,049 pesos. Then proceed to the next page. Here is the summary of your income tax due. So we'll proceed here at your reconciliation of net income per books against taxable income. Assuming we have a net income or loss per books amounting to is 351,679. And after that, from here, the system of your tax calculator will determine your income tax due, and based on your tax rate. Let's go back to the first page, and here is your total tax due, 15,252 pesos. Now after that is you double check all your entries and then proceed to the validate, and then okay, and save, and now you can go back to the main screen. Your background info now is now already saved. It will appear at the bottom part of this form here. That's it. You've now filled out your 1701 form correctly with itemized deductions. So now let's proceed to 2551Q. To filing out the BIR form 2551Q version 2018 551, which is the quarterly percentage tax return. Same process, you just need to find this form in the list of BIR forms and then fill up. Okay, so here we're going to wait. Here for the year ended, we are going to use calendar, and then first quarter assuming lang po, and then we're going to choose the weighted income tax rate on net taxable income. Let's check first our background information, all goods, and then proceed to the next page. Here in the computation of tax, in the alphanumeric tax code, we have a table here. You're going to choose kung ano yung gagamitin nyo, but for this tutorial we're going to use the P10. Here in the percentage tax on the P10, PP number 10 is person exempt from VAT under section 109 BB, section 116 with a tax rate of 3%. So assuming we have a taxable amount rather, we amount into 2,605,000. So now our tax due is amounting to 78,150, and our total tax due is 78,150 pesos. So once you're done, balik ka sa previous page and then validate. Once you validated it, save, done. And go back to the main screen. And your form will appear here. You can view it if you want to edit or anything else. So that's it for the 2551Q version 2018. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tax tips. Bye!